Today I'm going to give you a little bit of an introduction into what you can expect in the latest upgrade, 2024.5. Just a little bit smaller is the title for this month's upgrade. And I guess this is because they've had so many big things that they've been releasing that this one is a little bit smaller. Now, the first thing, the strict logins, I was really excited about that, but apparently that's been pushed out to next month. So what do we have this month? The first thing is in the improvement to the grouping of entities, you can now group by domain and filter by domain entities. Secondly, we've got a change to the helpers on the automation. So now you don't actually have to create a helper before you create your automation. You can do it from within the automation component, which is pretty cool. Locks can now be added to tile cards, which is pretty cool. And then we're now able to adjust device names within our energy dashboard. So that's quite cool if you're busy setting up the dashboard and you want to give them specific names. Now, with the advent of voice assistants locally, apparently there's been some issues with the voice actually cutting off during the process of talking. So I haven't played with this yet, but it'd be quite exciting to hopefully get one of these devices soon. Anyway, so they've upgraded the ESP Home system that is improving the audio on these devices. Some of the other changes they've got here, you can see that there's a new ESP Home integration supporting time, date, valve, event, and entities. MQTT has reached a quality scale of platinum, so that sounds interesting. The visualization graph on Zigbee devices has been improved. We've got a Glances integration for looking at network traffic, a Roborock integration, so they're now getting the map in from that, so that's pretty cool. AirZone cloud integration, as well as an Extract Media URL service. Some of the new integrations, we've got the Ambient Weather Network, we've got Aave, that's some more quality data monitoring systems. We've got Energini power sockets, the Epic Game Store, EQ3 Bluetooth thermostats, and Sanix. So pretty small one this month, but good to see the upgrades coming anyway. So that's all for me now. If you've enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. And if you'd like to start with Home Assistant, why don't you have a look at my How to Set Up Home Assistant video. Bye for now.